Hey, what's up guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Alex Apucha here, and I've got another video. And this one we've got a bunch of hooks in that I need to get back up on the shelf because as you can tell, we're empty. We are empty. So I need to stock them up. Yeah. Full wall definitely looks better than an empty one. So we got another customer inbound, but yeah. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful hooks, man. Do have to admit. Oh, the phone. Just a second.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
All right, now I'm back. Now, so we've got 25 of our 18s, got 25 of our 20s, and now our 24s here. As you can tell, we use our 18s, 20s, and 24s on our drops. A little bit at a time, gents. Ooh. Yep, so I got to get more to stock that up, this one up, and this one. Yep, we always got our work cut out for us, but like I said, we got the channel going up with over 5,000 subscribers. We got our website also going up, and that will be available pretty much any day this week, something like that. If not, it'll be early next week, but we are it's going. It's a lot of liters we put in tackle, and I know he's probably cussing me right now with the amount of gear we got that's available on there, but still, you know, building a website, it's not just, you know, putting it all together. You got to have the gear and the tackle and the availability of the gear. You know what I mean? It's just, it's a lot. But I got some chocolate chip cookies waiting for me over there, so I'm starving. AC finally got done, so it went from 84 degrees to 80 degrees and slowly dropping down, but yeah, we're working on it. So. Yes, sir.